So before we start the video, hit the like button, and if you are new on our channel, subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon so you never miss any upcoming video. So let's get start the video. So what do your blood pressure numbers mean? The only way to know if you have a high blood pressure, HBP or hypertension is to have your blood pressure tested. Understanding your results is the key to controlling high blood pressure. Healthy and unhealthy blood pressure ranges. So what is the normal? The normal range is less than 120, and the less than 80 is lower number, and the upper number is less than 120. And what is elevated? Elevated is upper number of 120 to 129, and the lower number is less than 80. High blood pressure, hypertension stage 1 is around 130 to 139 upper number, and 80 to 89 lower number. High blood pressure, hypertension 2 stage 2 is 140 or higher of upper number, and 80 to 89 or 92 higher lower number. Let's talk about the hypertension crisis. That consult your doctor immediately. Higher than 180 is a upper number, and higher than 120 is a lower number. So this is a basically some ranges of blood pressure. So what is a blood pressure categories? On the number one, it is the normal. There are 5 main blood pressure categories, and the ranges recognized by the American Heart Associations are: first one is normal. Blood pressure number of less than 120 by 80 mmHg are considered with a normal range. If your result fall into category, stick with your healthy habit like following a balanced diet and getting a regular exercise. And the second one is elevated. Elevated blood pressure is one reading consistently range from 120 to 129 systolic, and the less than 80 mmHg diastolic. People with elevated blood pressure are likely to develop high blood pressure unless steps are taken to control the condition. So what is the hypertension stage 1? Hypertension stage 1 is when blood pressure consistently ranges from 130 to 139 systolic and 80 to 89 mmHg diastolic. At this stage of high blood pressure, doctors are likely to prescribe lifestyle changes or may consider adding blood pressure medication based on your risk of disease, that is called ASCVD, such as heart attack or something like stroke. Let's talk about the hypertension stage 2, and it is the fourth category, and it also considered the last category. At the stage of the high blood pressure requires medical attention. If your blood pressure reading suddenly exceed 180 by 20 mmHg, wait 5 minutes and then test your blood pressure again. If your reading are still unusually high, contact your doctor immediately. You could be experiencing a hypertensive crisis. If your blood pressure is higher than 180 by 20 and Hg, and you are experiencing a sign of possible organ damage such as chest pain, shortness of breath, back pain, and numbness, weakness, changes in the vision, difficulty speaking, and do not wait to see if your pressure comes down on its, call 911. Your blood pressure numbers are what they mean. The first thing is that systolic blood pressure. The first number indicate how much blood pressure your blood is exerting against your artery wall when the heart beats. And what is the diastolic? So diastolic blood pressure is the second number, indicate how much pressure your blood is exerting against your artery wall while the heart rate resting between beats. So which number is more important? So this is a big question. That typically more attention is given to systolic blood pressure, the first number, as a major risk of factors for disease of people over 50. In most people, systolic blood pressure rises steadily with the age due to the increasing stiffness or large arteries. Long term this build-up of plaque and increased audience and incidence of cardiac and vascular disease. Why blood pressure is measured in mm and Hg? The abbreviation mm and Hg means millimeters of mercury. Mercury was used the first accurate pressure gauges and is still used for medicine. Today is a standard unit of measurement of pressure. So this was a totally video about blood pressure. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. If you really liked our video, subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon so you never miss any upcoming video. So we will meet in next video. Goodbye.